Notre-Dame Cathedral, Paris, an icon of French Gothic architecture. Notre-Dame Cathedral, one of the most recognizable symbols of Gothic architecture, stands proudly in Paris. Built over 200 years ago, it was completed in the 14th century and is famous for its stunning facade, intricate sculptures, and towering spires. As you approach, the two majestic towers draw your gaze upward, while the ornate rose window with its vibrant stained glass tells stories from the Bible with vivid artistry. Notre Dame embodies the Gothic spirit with its flying buttresses that allowed for those enormous stained glass windows, creating a breathtaking play of light and shadow within. Inside, every detail of the cathedral draws you into another time. Tall, ribbed vaults and pointed arches create an atmosphere that feels both grand and otherworldly. As sunlight streams through the colorful stained glass, it illuminates the nave in a wash of colors that seems almost magical. This architectural marvel is not only an important religious site, but also a beloved landmark that has witnessed centuries of Parisian life. Walking through Notre Dame, you're transported back to an era where faith and artistry intertwined to create a space of awe and inspiration. The tragic fire in 2019 only amplified the world's appreciation for Notre Dame. The restoration work now underway aims to preserve its historic beauty while securing it for future generations. Visiting Notre Dame is an unforgettable experience, as you feel the grandeur, history, and resilience of a structure that has seen so much yet stands strong. It's an extraordinary example of Gothic architecture, blending religious devotion with architectural ingenuity.